In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Booking.com. We'll walk through the process in a web browser, keeping it simple and clear. Before we dive in, make sure you're using the correct account you want to update and that you know your login details. This helps ensure the change applies to the right profile and appears on your future bookings and messages. Start by opening Booking.com in your browser and signing in. If you're already signed in, you should see your profile area in the top right corner. If the site looks different because of your screen size or region, don't worry. The options are usually in the same general area. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click your name or the small profile icon. A menu will open. From there, choose My Account and then select My Profile. This takes you to the main profile page where your account information is stored. If you see a few different tabs or sections, you're in the right place. This page is where all personal details can be reviewed and adjusted. Inside your profile, look for a section labeled Personal Details or Edit Profile. The exact wording can vary slightly, but it's the area dedicated to your basic information. If you notice an edit button or a pencil icon near the Personal Details section, that's your shortcut to make changes. Click it to open the editable fields. Now, find the name fields. You should see separate boxes for first name and last name. This is where you update the name you want associated with your Booking.com account. Click Edit next to the name, enter your preferred first and last name, and then click Save. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization before you save. If you use a middle initial in official documents and want consistency, you can include it as applicable to the form. After saving, the page should confirm your changes or refresh to show the updated name. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page. Keep in mind that updating your account name adjusts how your name appears in your profile and communications. For existing reservations, some details might already be locked by the property, so you may still see the previous name on those specific bookings. New reservations and most account areas will show your updated name. That's it. Quick and straightforward. Opening Booking.com, signing in, heading to My Account and My Profile, locating personal details, and editing the name fields are all you need to do to update your name successfully.